Namaste kids, how are you all? Okay kids, let's continue with our block 9 which is bones, joints and muscles. So kids, the aim of today's class is that students will be able to differentiate between voluntary and involuntary muscles. Keywords. What are the keywords? Muscles, voluntary, involuntary and control. Right? Now kids, you have to guess the answer. What else in our body works with bones to allow us to move? Can you see this boy moving? Yes. तो हमारी बॉडी में बोन्स के साथ ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो हमारे को मूव करने में हेल्प करती है? Guess? Yes. Bones and muscles work together and allow us to move. Okay kids? What are muscles? Muscles क्या होती हैं? Muscles are the soft part of the body. Muscles हमारी body का बिल्कुल soft part होती हैं. They cover our entire body. वो हमारी पूरी body को cover करके रखती हैं. The internal organs are also made from muscles. हमारे internal organs like lungs, hearts, they are also made from muscles. And you know kids, one more thing, that there are more than 600 muscles in a human body. Okay? Now activity time kids. What you have to do in this activity? What you have to do, just guess. Okay, let's start. Just move around in your room. You have to move around in your room and stop after 30 seconds. You can start this activity, pause the video and do it. Move around in your room and stop after 30 seconds. Next task. Now stand at your place and sit. Stand and sit. Do it 3 times. And then sit in statue position for 30 seconds. You can pause the video and do this task. Okay kids, what did you observe when you were still? जब आप statue position में थे, आपने क्या observe किया? You have to just write your answer in yes or no. Were your eyes moving when you were statue? Were your legs moving? Were your heart muscles moving? Your hands were moving? Share your answers through WhatsApp. You have to only write yes and no and share through WhatsApp. Okay kids, let's discuss. Which body parts or muscles were you able to control? जब आप स्टैचू पोजीशन में थे, तब आप कौन से मसल्स और बॉडी पार्ट को कंट्रोल कर सकते थे? Guess the answer? Yes, we can control some of our muscles like legs and hands. आप कौन से मसल्स को कंट्रोल कर पा रहे थे? अपने लेग्स को और हैंड्स को. Okay, question 2. Which of the muscles were working even when you were trying to be still? जब आप स्टैचू पोजीशन में थे, तब आपके कौन से मसल्स वर्क कर रहे थे? Which muscles were still working? Yes, the muscles of eyes, heart, stomach were still working. Right? वो सब काम कर रहे थे जबकि आप स्टैचू थे. Right? So kids, today we will study about types of muscles. There are 2 types of muscles, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. So what are voluntary muscles? Muscles which are under our control, जिनको हम control कर सकते हैं, like our legs and hand muscles. They are voluntary muscles. And what are involuntary muscles? मसल्स विच आर नॉट अंडर आर कंट्रोल, जो मसल्स हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती, लाइक हार्ट मसल्स, stomach muscles and lungs muscles, right kids? Your eye muscles, okay, so they are not in your control. When you sit in statue, आपकी eyes blink करती हैं, right? क्योंकि वो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है. तो जो मसल्स हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती, they are involuntary muscles. Okay kids? Now Hott's question, what would happen if the muscles of heart were voluntary? अगर हार्ट की मसल्स वॉलंटरी होती तो क्या होता? Guess? Yes. If muscles of heart were voluntary, then they would be under our control. अगर हार्ट की मसल्स भी वॉलंटरी होती तो हम उनको कंट्रोल कर पाते. Right kids? Okay. Now open page number 7 S3 and I will explain you these questions and you will do them. Muscles in our body, complete the table. Activities and type of action. Now running में हम कौन सी मसल्स यूज करते हैं? वॉलंटरी और इनवॉलंटरी. यू यूज योर लेग्स, सो यानी कि आप कौन सी मसल्स यूज कर रहे हैं? वॉलंटरी मसल्स. नाउ ब्रीथिंग, you have to write down which muscles. Eating food, digesting food, which muscles do you use? Okay kids? Question 2. What is the function of muscles in our body? I have explained you what do muscles do. What is the function of muscles in our body? You have to write. Question 3. Which muscles work while we are sleeping? जब आप सोते हो आपकी कौन सी मसल्स वर्क करती हैं? Are they voluntary or involuntary muscles? वो voluntary muscles हैं या involuntary muscles हैं? Question number 4. What would have happened if the muscles in our arm were involuntary muscles? अगर हमारे आर्म की मसल्स involuntary होती तो क्या होता? Come on kids, do this work and share it through WhatsApp or mail. And if you have any doubt, you can just text me or call me. Right kids? Okay. Thank you for this and have a nice day.